All right, what's up, y'all? So tonight on Brutally Simple Cooking, we've got deviled eggs. Brutally simple all right, what's up, y'all? All right, what's up? All right, what's up, y'all? So tonight on Brutally Simple Cooking, we've got brutally simple deviled eggs. All we're gonna need is some eggs, some approved mayonnaise, some Dijon mustard, some salt and pepper, and then paprika to finish it off. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna start with the Instant Pot, and we're gonna add a cup of water so it can pressurize. We're gonna put in our eggs on the grate, or whatever the heck you call that thing. And then make sure it's on seal. We're gonna hit manual, and then I'm gonna let this go 7 minutes, because theoretically 5 to 6 minutes it's like a softer yolk. 7 to 8 minutes it's gonna be a little bit more firm of a yolk, and we're gonna let that run. All right, so the timer just went off, and for a lot of recipes it's recommended that you just let it naturally depressurize, but that takes a little bit, and since time is of the issue, we don't want to overcook them. We're at the 7 minute mark. I'm gonna hit this little deep ventilating thing. Don't put your don't put your face right over it when you do that. All right, then we're gonna put that in some ice water to stop the cooling process. My apartment is so cold that I'm not using ice. I'm just using the water from the sink, and then I'm gonna add more cold water as I need to. All right, so we're gonna let that cool, and I'm gonna know because I'm gonna touch the eggs and see if they're cool. All right, so I've got the eggs, they've been cooled, and if you haven't tried this egg peeling technique, I love it. So you just crack the egg up, and then you kind of roll it between your fingers like this. And especially if the egg is completely cool, like the shell just kind of peels off, falls off. So there you go, man. I've always had a hard time making hard-boiled eggs where the peel didn't stick to the skin, and then here you go. That was really, really simple. All right, so we're gonna peel the eggs. All right, so check it out. We're gonna cut each one of these in half. Look at that. Gorgeous. First of all, this is pastured eggs, so the yolk looks beautiful, but it's also not overcooked. Like, it's cooked, but it's just barely cooked on the inside. Oh my God, I'm in love with this process. It's my first time doing it. I'm so happy the way the eggs came out. All right, now, then, and by the way, this is my first time doing this on camera, and I made it up. I don't think I've seen this anywhere. So I'm gonna do just a little bit of salt, because we're gonna add some of the other stuff. I'm gonna do some black pepper. Then, check it out. We're gonna take the Primal Kitchen mayo, and I'm gonna put a little spoonful on each one, just like that. So again, a little spoonful. I'm sure you can use as much as you want. And then, boom. This is why we call it brutally simple deviled eggs. I'm gonna start a cooking show, y'all. Oh wait, I already got one. This is my cooking show. I mean, I'm gonna start a professional cooking show. I'm gonna have a real house and a huge kitchen and nothing else. All right, so now we're gonna throw on a squirt of Dijon mustard to each one. Again, you can do as much or as little as you want. And then for a little flair, we got some paprika. Boom! And you can plate those, put them in a container, do whatever the heck you want to do, but we're gonna taste them. Guaranteed they're great. I mean, almost just like deviled eggs. Only thing might be missing is a little bit of sweet pickle, but I'm not sure how you're gonna make that brutally simple unless you just cut one up and put it on top of it. So there you have it, deviled eggs. Now, pro tip, it doesn't have to be complex to get a simple result.